Hi everyone, here is step-by-step guide how to import USDC token to your MetaMask account. So first of all, open up your MetaMask application. So after that, click on the network at the very top, and here choose this one network. And after that, click on import tokens in the down below. And after that, click on search tokens and type in here USDC token. Click on this one token and scroll down until you find import button. Click on it, and as you can see, imported token successfully imported. And you can click on it, simply receive it and send it. So click on cancel and click on close button. And also you can change your network, for example on BNB network, Binance, it doesn't matter, and add USDC from this network. So I hope it helps convert this new video or this playlist about MetaMask.